waking up my soul. New day starting, I'm in